These are the mountains of the dragons, otherwise known the Drakensberg. It's on every South African's bucket list. Hopefully after this video, it'll be on yours too. Let's start from the beginning. I think what discourages people is how difficult or how hard to reach Drakensberg is, but it couldn't be easier. A flight from Cape Town to Durban is a few thousand rand, depending on the time of year. Then a car rental for 5 to 6 days can be about 4,000 rand. You'll definitely need some sort of 4x4 or 2x4 vehicle. Our route took us from Durban to Giant's Castle, Monk's Cowl, Cathedral Peak, and eventually Tugela Falls in the Amphitheatre. Drakensberg is beautiful, with lush green and orange skies. It will really take your breath away, but get ready for some serious walking. On average, we would walk about 30,000 steps a day and cover 20 to 30 kilometers. Always make sure to sign in and out of the hiking offices. Watch out for snakes, hike with a buddy, and absolutely take something waterproof. In Drakensberg, it can seriously rain. The clouds hang around the mountaintops like some mystic far-off land. I've never seen so much water in South Africa. One of our highlights was definitely the marble pools. Coming from Cape Town, it is incredible to see how much water and diverse wildlife can be found only a few hours from home. Drakensberg is a wonder waiting to be explored. And the best is yet to come. In the next episode,